Hey, Carl, cooking in Josper, huh? Carl, like.
So
you know the smell?
This charcoal is from Laos.
Charcoal is from Laos and is first quality. Nobody know.
Okay, we can put this online.
No, it's not about company. It's,
So this is just the air, right?
yes, we go up or go down. This is what you make. Yeah.
Here, right? This is you
Yes.
push in, you push out.
Push it and push out. And this is very important because doesn't
The
come
smoke.
the flame. No, the flame out.
Yeah.
So is
But there is no flame.
no, there is flame, but
Charcoal, yeah.
yeah, can be dangerous because the flame can go out. No.
So this is for this.
Yeah, all. And you must have a license for that in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
So
So this is the charcoal.
yes. Best
So don't
shot.
show this on now. Don't show this online because maybe I want to steal it from my own restaurant. Like, come on. Put it online. It's a secret. It's a secret.
Secret
So where do you get this?
from a company.
From your company.
Hey, it's a pleasure to have a Carl in the kitchen. Huh?
No, it's a beautiful. This is
Of course, it's the best one. And safe as well.
because it was the guy from. It was the Spanish guy. The Spanish guy. What's his name? Picasso.
Fernandia?
Oh, he was saying that he was the manager. He was the distributor. You're not going to get any money for this.
But what? I don't think
And look, and now you have gas.
What do you mean? I need to
I
get
have
the
gas. No, you have a distributor for.
But Josper, you know, I don't want it.